Welcome to my video on how to invest in real estate even if you have little or no money. Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. How to invest in real estate with little or no money. Starting any investment has never been easy, but you can have a great income with a plan and some good direction and help. The real estate sector is one area where you can make huge amounts of money when you know the tricks and strategies to use. Here are some hacks you can use to invest in real estate with little or no money. Number 1, the Airbnb strategy. Almost everything is being done online. Airbnb is an online marketplace that allows you to rent out part of your home to others for a short period of time. This strategy can earn you extra income as your side business. Number 2, house hacking. In cases where you rent out a small triplex, duplex, or fourplex, you can live in one flat and rent out the others. Save your rental income until you have enough to move to a new home and make this a rental. You can choose to rent out extra bedrooms or a basement to a roommate. Just do your research to be sure you don't violate any local laws. And then you can use the extra money as a down payment on your new property. Number 3, flipping houses. You can turn your home into a flip today. It's a smart real estate investment, and this strategy requires less money to buy a home. You can live in the home for a period of time while making improvements to the property, and then sell it for a profit. This strategy can also be a real advantage when it comes to your taxes. In some cases, if you are a couple who pays taxes jointly, you can pay no taxes up to $500,000. Keep in mind, however, that you'll be making repairs and improvements to increase the value of your flip home. Number 4, lease options. Are you close to the property owner? Such relationships can come in handy when you want to sublease the extra bedrooms. You don't have to buy a house to start making money in real estate. After renting a house, you can rent out other units or bedrooms to others and share the rent. Negotiate the payment with the other tenants and make sure you have some profit for you built into their payments. Bottom line, you no longer have to save all your life to invest in real estate. These hacks guarantee extra income, and you only need a little or even no money to make adjustments to your home and increase its value. It's possible to make it in real estate by being creative. Look out for the next video in this series, Real Estate Investing Advice, even if you think you'd never be able to do it. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c-k.net/MHBJ. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.